Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can bold text and underline them and then enlarge their sizes into Microsoft Word and just into Microsoft packages, whether it's Excel, Publisher or something. I'm going to show you how you can bold them, how you can underline the text, and then how you can enlarge them and how you can change the font, right? So before we get started, I just want you to, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word documents open up here. I have all these random text just saying this is tutorial, this is tutorial, this is tutorial. As you can see, I have them right there. Right, so now what we are going to do first, I'm going to show you how you can bold them. Right, so let's say you highlight them. Make sure you highlight the text that you want to bold. Right, highlight that and then just click on this P right here. As you can see, it's written bold. You bold that. Right, that's how you bold it. That's how you bold the text. Click on this. As you can see, now it's selected. So make sure you highlight them, select them, whatever text you want to bold. So it doesn't matter, you can even bold just a word. Doesn't matter you don't always have to highlight the whole thing. You can highlight the word. Let's say you want to bold this just here. Just select that and then click on that. And then now you will see just that is highlighted. Right, you got that. That's how you bold the text. Now I'm going to show you how you can underline it. So you can highlight that and then just come here, make sure you underline it, click on underline. Right, that's how you underline the text. And again, you can underline even just a word. Just highlight it and then click on that, and then you ask how you underline it. Right, you got that. Now I'm going to show you how you can increase their sizes. So let's say you want to increase this, highlight that and then come here. You see at 11 the font size. Now click on this arrow and then now you can choose if you want them big or small. Right, so let's leave it like this. Right, that's how you enlarge everything. It's on this. Make sure you are on your home tab right there. Right, so now you have that. Perfect. So now again you can enlarge a word, just a word. So let's say you want to enlarge that, then again just select that. Now you see you can still just enlarge the word. Right, perfect. So now I'm going to show you how you can change the fonts. As you can see, defaultly it's in Calibri, right, the body. So now let's say you want to change the font size, the font, highlight and then come into here, and then you have all this font right here, all this font. Let's say we want to use Algerian, so select that. Now you see, now the font have changed. Again, you can change the font of even just a word. Highlight that, then come in, and then let's say we want to use all these fonts are here. Let's say you want to use boss or this or that. As you can see, you can change even just the word. Right, you see, look at that. Right, everything is just in this home tab right here. You can bold the text, you can underline, you can change the size, and then all that. You can even change the font size. Everything is on there. So yeah, that's how you do. Just make sure you are on your home tab. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm off. Peace, love, and unity.